So we've done the hardware overview and now it's time to set up our MiSTer. So to get started, you'll need a DE10-Nano Board and power supply. I've got that all set up already and connected to my capture. You'll need a microSD card, at least 2 GB, and a reader. I've got that set up already and that's connected to my G drive over here. You need a USB keyboard to navigate the MiSTer menus and configure the MiSTer. And you need a USB on-the-go connector or a USB hub, so you can connect the USB keyboard to the MiSTer's micro USB port. I've got one of these dongles here, and my keyboard has some extra USB ports, so I'll use that to connect the mouse and gamepad. Lastly, you need an HDMI monitor or TV and an HDMI cable. One thing that isn't on the list but is important for the setup is internet connection. You'll need your Nano connected to the internet to download cores and updates, and you can do this via wired Ethernet or Wi-Fi. I'm using Ethernet and I have that wired up already. I'll link the Wi-Fi instructions below. In terms of software, you'll need the latest MiSTer SD card image, which I've already downloaded. You can see it here. And also some software to write the image. So I'm going to use Berliner Etcher. In terms of what we're planning to do, we're going to write the image to our microSD card. We're going to pop that into the MiSTer and power it on. And then we're going to run the MiSTer update script to download all the latest cores and scripts ready for use. So let's get going. We'll open up Berliner Etcher. We'll pick our image file. There we go. We'll pick our microSD card and we'll hit flash. So that's writing the MiSTer image to the microSD card. It might take a bit of time, so I'll fast forward. Okay, that's done. So we've got our microSD card prepared. Now I'm going to eject that and then we'll plug it into our MiSTer. So that's plugged into our MiSTer, which I'm now going to power on. There we go. So the MiSTer is powering up now. Installing. This might take a while, so I'll fast forward this part. Okay, here we are on the MiSTer main screen. I'm going to hit F12 and then navigate to scripts. And I'm going to run the MiSTer update script to download all the latest cores so we can run these retro computers on the MiSTer. This is going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this and meet you on the other side. Okay, that's the MiSTer update script finished. You can now see that if we navigate the menus, we have lots of arcade games, lots of computer cores, lots of console cores. Now let's try a computer core. Commodore 64, a replica Commodore 64 ready to play games.